So, welcome back everyone to another racing video. So in this weekend's video we got 3 races, well actually 2 races, just we have 2 pigeons on the Diamond Federation for 100k and then 5 pigeons on the other federation, which is in the other town. And then this weekend we also got the first 200k race, which is also Diamond Federation. So gonna have quite a good video, I think. So we just got our first one. Starter loop. I'm thinking it's 6:36 again. Oh no, it's the old guy. It's 8:33. Don't think it's gonna be a first place. We saw a lot of pigeons already, so I don't know if you can tell. That's 4 again. Ik heb het niet gezien. So here's a flock again. I don't know if you can tell by the sun. Here. So the second one should be home by now. He was first the last 2 times, so here's one. 2 might be the blue one. No, that's my red bar. And then this is, I don't know. I'll check. Yeah, that's 6:15 and the red bar 296. Still no sign of the actual one we were expecting, the 36 number, the other blue bar. We basically have 2 blue bars that are doing really well, or were doing. The first one which has already arrived, and then the one we were still expecting. So we just saw the grizzle. I think that's him. Yeah, looks like a white one. That's a little bit too late. He was actually decent last time, so. Oh no, that's a red bar. Nope, not the grizzle yet. That's pretty much the worst bird on that loft, so. And the best one's not even home yet. Or supposedly the best one. So our first signed one. The other blue bar just arrived. Fortunately, way too late. We thought he might have hit something, but yeah, he was looking crazy good condition. So we put him first signed, and then the other blue bar, which arrived first now, the old guy, we put second signed. Usually put the old guy first signed because he's like a pigeon you can count on. He hasn't missed a single time. But the other one didn't miss this year either yet, so this is the first time he misses. Unfortunately, just when we were expecting him to fly really well. But yeah, that's gonna be close to the last pigeon for the 100k races. This weekend will be the first time we fly 200k as well. They should arrive in like half an hour or so. Also, both Headwind races. This race took an hour and 50 minutes. I'm expecting the 200k race to last like 2.5 hours. So yeah, stay tuned for that. We got 4 birds in the 200k race. All have proven themselves on 200k, so should be nice. Ziet dat in ene zijn met zijn staat af? Dat is dit, hè? Oh ja. Zal eens gaan zien. Zeg het toch? Nee joh, het is die van Nion. Ja. Dat is de beste van verleden jaar van Nion. So that's gonna be the father of the last one. The one with white tips. Met dat lokker maar. Je wilt nooit niet vallen deze. Oh. Dat is 650. Allee, komt dan naar beneden. We zitten dan aan. Nou, denk ik precies dat er een wat water is gevlogen. Oh no, they're all on there, so that's good. So we got 3 of the 200k race already. The first one looking like a really early bird, 6:11. So we got 1 more to go. So we got another one. Just just managed to get him on tape. Hij ziet er al uit, ja. So we got all the birds home from 200k. Yeah, 1440. So the 200k birds dropped way better, and the arrivals were also way better than 100k, which was to be expected. Aside from the first one, obviously, blue bar. Let's have a look on the loft. En eens rap kijken. So that's the dropper bird. But yeah, let's go over. That's 6:11. That's the first guy from the 200k race, looking like a really early one. And now which one was? And then that's the blue bar that was first from the 100k, which is, you know, he always flies good, never missed this year, usually doesn't miss. And then this guy, we were expecting to be really early. This was our first signed one. So we basically got 2 blue bars on 100k, which were doing well, but this one decided to give up on us. So yeah. And like I said, the first one on 200k, that's his father, who was second, and then right after that 650, that's the ace pigeon strain, and then a little after that, only a minute or so, the one in here, 318, that's a half brother of this one, so also ace pigeon strain. So overall, the 100k didn't go exactly as planned. Still 2 birds missing actually. The one I pulled his tail out of is still missing, and then the grizzle for some reason is still missing. But yeah, overall still a decent race, I think. Especially 200k is gonna be really good. 4 birds inside the prizes, I think, so that's quite good. That's basically a 100%. But yeah, I'm gonna add the results at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna have a little look at him. So obviously we got 3 races, 3 separate result sheets. So this is gonna be the first one. This is of the Diamond Federation. We got 505 birds in the race. This is the race where we got the 2 blue bars in, and this is the first one. That's the old guy of 2018, old guy. And then the other blue bar unfortunately missed the mark by a long shot, so we only got 1 out of 2 in this race. And then we got the 200k race, also on the Diamond Federation. 864 pigeons. Oh yeah, and this guy was 41st, so that's top 10%, a little bit less, so that's good. And then this guy, like I said before, 864 birds. And then we got, with our first signed one, that's 611, we got 37th place, which is really good. That's like top 5%. And then the other 2, which that's his father actually, that's the white tip one, an old bird, 2019. And then that's 650, that's the ace pigeon strain. Yeah, 197th place and 190th place. And then we got the last one, which is 318, the other ace pigeon strain bird, an old guy. And we only had 4 pigeons in this race, and we got 4 prizes, so can't be much better than that. So yeah, anything else? So that's it for the Diamond Federation. Then we got in the other neighboring federation, which is only 100k. We got 7 pigeons in this race, I believe, including the one without a tail, so you can't really count them. It's only the first race he did, so yeah, 557 birds. And the first placing we got is 122nd. That's the red bar, the old bird red bar. And then right after that we got the other ace pigeon strain, which is usually 200k. We might switch him to 200k next weekend. And that's gonna be it. Oh no, we got 5 pigeons in this race, my bad. 5 pigeons, so 2 out of 5. This is probably the worst one, but the rest are really good, especially the 200k one. All of the 200k birds don't perform well, or didn't perform well on their last 100k races. But yeah, like you see, there's definitely a difference between 100k and 200k birds. So anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this little racing video again. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, it really helps out the channel, and have a nice day.